We are LIV Student, Student Community Creators. I'm going to show you around our building on Eccleston Road, Sheffield. We are 10 minutes walk away from Sheffield University, Hallam University and the train station. We will begin the tour on a 9th floor common space on one of our free roof terraces. We've got outdoor Wi-Fi with speakers so you can relax and enjoy the beautiful views. We're here in the cinema room now. We have a 4K projector on top of the ceiling, a big screen. Behind the screen we have a 80-inch smart 4K TV, PlayStation down in the corner for those FIFA challenges, and blackout blinds all around so you can make it here pitch black and enjoy your film on those movie nights. Here we are in the gym. This is open 24/7. We've got free yoga sessions nearly weekly in here. You can check that out on our Instagram. We also have a personal trainer, which is virtual. I don't know if you've seen that before, but it's amazing. I'll get to that and show it to you in a second. So this is our personal trainer. It's virtual. It's a lovely machine. You can go through it as easy as this. They have loads of options on what you want to focus on today or tomorrow or the next day. Let's go, for example, on the superset. Just tap it. Over here you have a quick preview so you can make sure you want to go ahead with this. It tells you how long it takes, what you're looking to aim, and then just press start. And as soon as that, it will take it onto our main TV, which is in the middle of the gym.
I consider my weightlifting a practice, right? Why is yoga the only thing that makes you do a practice? This time, my strength training.
This is the Karaoke Room. It's soundproof. It's got over 16,000 songs for you and your friends to enjoy, so don't worry if you get a bit loud. This is one of our en-suites. It comes with all bills included: heating, electricity, water and internet. Internet is super fast Wi-Fi throughout the building. We've also got a hotel quality mattress with extra storage underneath. You can charge your phone in this USB port right by your bed. This ergonomic and fully adjustable study chair, and an extra large pin board above your desk to keep track of your uni work and our social events. We provide you with a desk lamp, a night lamp for late studying and for leisure reading in the bed. Your full-length window has blackout curtains for those lions, and we have hotel quality ensuite with power shower. This is the communal space within your apartment. It comes fully loaded with furniture, corner sofa, cushion and footstool, dining table, leather chairs, a piece of artwork, mirror for those times when you need to get ready, entertainment unit with 49-inch smart TV, soundbar and subwoofer. You've also got a storage unit including vacuum cleaner, mop, bucket, iron and iron board. You don't need to bring anything from home. You have a dishwasher for those who hate doing the washing up, microwave, kettle and toaster included, and fridge freezers with enough space to suit all your needs. In addition to our ensuite rooms, we also offer self-sufficient studios. These have all bills included: quality double bed with storage underneath, own bathroom, breakfast table with 2 leather chairs, and you get your own kitchen with combi microwave, hob, extractor fan and a fridge with a freezer compartment, all for yourself. Here we are in one of our 7 study rooms. They all have whiteboards. You don't have to go all the way to university to get your work done. You and your classmates can use one of our study rooms because they're available 24/7. All of our study rooms come equipped with a kitchenette, own kettle and mini fridge, so you won't need to make all those trips back to your room to get drinks. In addition to our 7 study rooms, we also have one meeting room which is dedicated for presentations. Should you have one with your university colleagues, just let us know and we can get you booked in. Large number of dryers and washers available. They're all self-dosing, which means you don't have to pay for your detergent or fabric softener, and also they support Android Pay and Apple Pay. We've created a dedicated area for those who want to host parties with their friends. We have a fully working kitchen with microwave and 2 ovens. You get access to the roof terrace, which is right next to it. In addition, we have a bookable area with sliding doors for extra privacy, so just let us know if you like to book it for free when you want to have your friends around. You get free breakfast in the morning, 7 days a week, hot drinks, and you can sit down, enjoy your breakfast or take it on the way to uni, and this will help you save over £900. We hold regular events here such as cooking classes or cocktail classes and much more. As well as everything else you've seen from our 9th floor hub, we also have a residents only cafe.